Good morning, it's Farmer Brad, and I have this end repaired and finished, and let me show you some of the features that it has. So I have this double lock, so if one fails, the other will keep it shut. And then I have this latch over here, there, and what that will allow is for this door to stay open when using this as a shelter instead of their complete confinement. And then let's go in here, there and there. I'm going to suspend this trough from the ceiling, and then I'll probably add 3 of my automatic chicken waters